What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. All right, for my 4i bros, we got a full house of 4i's in the house. I know you guys are like, do more 4i's. Okay, we got 2 in here. But for you 4i guys, you may or may not know, there's a pretty freaking amazing product, and we've got it here. We gotta let you check it out. Along with, we've got big updates on the 82 GT and the 83 Capri. Let's go. All right, guys, so you know Dakota Digital makes the cluster for the 8793, but I bet you didn't know they also have them for the 4i's. Here's the thing, guys, the 8793 clusters are bad enough as far as the accuracy and the reliability of the stock cluster. Even if you've got good senders, half the time they don't work good. But this is, and obviously this one is going in the 82, and then I'll show you installed right here on the 83. We've got the other one. But so you want to know about installing them, you just run that single Cat 5 from the Dakota Digital box, which we'll show you in a minute. And then these are for your turn signals, and that's literally it. You know, it bolts in. Now here's the other thing. There's a lot of people think, oh, you need those if you do a coyote swap. No. It doesn't matter what engine you've got in your car, you can install these. And the cool thing we found is the accuracy of the speedometer, the tach.
It's adjustable too.
Yeah, it's freaking adjustable. Like just the accuracy itself. Adding a little, you know, they light up better. I mean, this is just a phenomenal upgrade. I mean, you compare it to this, and this is actually in good shape for being an old cluster. But huge upgrade. Let's go check it out inside the car, and then we'll show you what all comes with it. But it's a really nice piece. All right, so you can see this bad boy installed. Now here's the thing: if you're trying to keep your car original, like, unless you really get up on it, you can't tell until like you turn it on, and like the lighting is really nice. It's really bright. You got good visibility. Then you've got the digital readouts for the speedometer, odometer, and they also do the 0 to 60 and, you know, quarter mile times, all that crazy stuff. But just for the age of these cars and how unreliable the gauges were from the factory, definitely go check them out on LMR, or just go to dakotadigital.com. We've literally installed, I don't even know how many of these have we done?
Probably 10, 15.
At least, yeah. It's crazy. But let me show you real quick what they come with, and then we'll get into the updates. All right, so real quick rundown, guys, and they've got very detailed instructions, so it's not hard at all. This is your VHX control box, and of course it comes with all your senders, temp and oil cables, speed sensor cables. But you got your senders, you got your adapters, all of that. And then, like I said, just run this Cat 5 to the back side of the cluster and you're done. So essentially you can mount this box anywhere you want it, and if you need to do any type of servicing, you do it all right here. You don't even have to mess with taking this out, which isn't hard at all. Just get your 4 screws and she's out. But again, doesn't matter what engine or trans combo, you can run these. The gauges are 100% more accurate. They're brighter. I mean, just you can run GPS, speedometer. There's a ton of options, and that's the reason we always use these things in the swaps. They make sense, and they make them all the way up to 04 Chevys, Dodge, and like they've got them for classics. It's pretty amazing. So definitely check them out. There's a very good reason we use these, and it's because they're just perfect example. But there you go, check them out. And now let's get into some updates on the Capri and the GT. All right, boys, so what is the update on the Capri? About to get the pedal bracket mounted. We're waiting on the control pack to show up, but she's pretty good under here. Got some of the wiring done, got fans, radiator, all that in. Even got some Scott Rod panels in. It's looking good. Dude, the Capri's coming together.
A little touch up.
Yeah.
We already got all the brackets.
Yeah, she's good. Oh yeah, all the power by the hour brackets. Yes, sir. It's getting there. Got the smooth panels in. The cool thing is up under the hood, or up under the car, getting all the Cook's exhaust on. Oh yeah, tank is in. Putting the 3-inch exhaust on, so pretty much. And we picked up the drive shaft from Bowling Green's going in here, right? Yeah, 8.8 is in. Got some strange double adjustables. Got the drive shaft, and I think that's about it. So really, we're just waiting on the control pack. You saw we already got the Dakota Digital in, but she's good, boys. We'll have the Capri doing some long smoky burnouts here very shortly. Fuel system's done. Gonna be epic. All right, boys, so the 82. Got it up here on the left. Control pack there, that's about to go in. I don't know if you guys saw the brakes on this thing. All right, so under the hood, the Coyote is back in. If you guys caught the video we did last week, showed the engine bay is all smooth, guys. Nick dropped. He just knocked it out of the freaking park. Engine bay looks absolutely amazing. Matches the paint now, but got the Coyote in it. The Illuminator Gen 2. We should have this one rocking and rolling real soon. Yeah, guys, I had to show you guys the interior of this thing again. It's beautiful. Like, beautiful. Just, yeah. Cannot wait to drive this car. Maximum Motorsport pedal kit is in. And just got to get the Dakota in, get the control pack in. This bad boy is going to be ready to rock. All right, guys, so that is pretty much what is the what. We got 4i Love going everywhere. Very, very shortly, we're going to be driving this one and that one. So cannot freaking wait to get both these cars out. Both of them are going to be monsters. Like I said, the Black 82 is Gen 2 with a T56 Magnum, and then this car, obviously, Gen 1 with the Handlin built 3650. So cannot wait to get them out. Guys, stay tuned. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Again, check out the premium subscription because we're actually doing working on the notch after this video. So appreciate everybody watching. Check you on the next one.